Greetings, I'm Cathie Wood, CEO and CIO of ARK Invest. This year has been a very interesting year. A lot of fear and uncertainty in the markets, and that caused a record-breaking increase in cash and defensive investing. Meanwhile, the equity markets have started to move up, and we think there are a few reasons for this. Number one, the idea of higher for longer, the Fed policy. We think that lower prices and companies like Walmart saying that it is looking at deflation in prices is starting to change the market's mind about the Fed's higher for longer strategy. In fact, the market seems to believe that interest rates are going to start falling in the new year. Second, we've had two wars to worry about, Ukraine and now Israel. And the markets do seem to be settling down as people understand that those wars, while very serious for the people involved, are not going to hurt the economies around the world. And then the third variable that we believe is happening is that the soft landing that many people have been expecting will not be that soft, but we have been in a rolling recession for nearly 2 years now. Housing, by some measures here in the United States, is down by 40%. Non-residential construction is in difficult straits given what's happening to the office market. And we are also seeing the consumer starting to pay a lot of attention to prices, looking for discounts or not buying at all. In response, we believe that companies are going to be cutting prices and that inflation will continue to come down. It peaked more than a year ago in the United States at 9%. It's down to roughly 3% now. And we would not be surprised to see broad-based price indexes like the CPI fall during some months in the year ahead. As a result, we do believe that the market is correct to expect lower interest rates following much lower than expected inflation. So the next year we think is going to be very good. The one problem corporations will face, of course, is pricing pressure, and that will, we believe, hurt their margins. Now, innovation solves problems, and we believe that artificial intelligence and other productivity-enhancing software is going to help corporations increase their margins, or at least maintain their margins as prices fall. Innovation does solve problems, and robotics will solve the labor shortages that we see ahead. We are going to see cures for human disease thanks to multi-omics sequencing. We're going to see new payment ecosystems thanks to blockchain technology. And we're going to see a continuing shift towards electric mobility of all kinds, which will solve environmental and other problems. So we're looking at a very bright future as interest rates come down, inflation continues to come down, surprising on the low side of expectations, and profits are salvaged by new technologies. So I'd like to thank our Japanese investors for their patience during the last few years. We know that 21 and 22 were very difficult. 23 has started the rebound, and we're looking forward to more good news ahead. And speaking of good news, we wish you a very happy new year. Thank you.